making traditional Colcannon potatoes. This is an Irish dish made from inexpensive ingredients, but the flavor is just so good. It's creamy, it's delightful. You should make this for your St. Patrick's Day spread this year.
I'm starting with the main component of this dish, which is potatoes. I like to use Yukon Gold potatoes because I like the texture and I don't have to peel them. If I used a russet, I would definitely peel them. Colcannon potatoes usually incorporate either green cabbage or kale. I'm using cabbage in this dish, and I want the cabbage pieces to be chopped. In this container, I have both fresh green onions and onions on their second growth. I use a lot of fresh vegetables in my cooking, so I try to save money wherever I can. I always regrow my green onions at least twice. Just make sure that you change out the water very frequently. It's time to saute the cabbage and steep the green onions. I'm just waiting for the saute pan to get hot enough for the oil. As soon as the pan is hot, the cabbage goes in. I want it to wilt, but I also want it to brown a bit. Plant milk goes into the butter. I really like using unsweetened cashew milk. You can use whatever you like, but I really recommend that it doesn't have added sugar or vanilla. I'm adding the chopped green onions to the milk and butter mixture to allow it to steep and incorporate that green onion flavor. We aren't going to boil the mixture, but allow the mixture to heat for a couple of minutes. I'm adding salt and, well, I'm kind of adding pepper, but my fancy new grinder never works. The potatoes are soft, and it's time to flavor and mash them. I add all of the butter and milk mixture. I like to use a masher, but you could use a ricer if you like them even smoother. Once the potatoes are mashed, I add the cabbage and mix them through.
Let's see what it tastes like. I love the texture that the sauteed cabbage gives the potatoes. It's just really nice. Another traditional Irish dish is shepherd's pie. Check this video out right here to see how I make it.